Explain your guarantee. If you join my 6-month mentor program, I guarantee you will make money. If you don't, I will refund the money you paid for the course. The only thing I ask is that you follow through with what I teach. If you don't follow through with my teaching, I guarantee you won't make a dime and you won't get a refund. I've never had anyone who followed through who didn't make money. I've had plenty of students who didn't follow through. You have to decide which one of these groups you want to belong to. About 30% of the people who go through my program will make money. They tell me that the average success rate for most programs like this is 5%. So I guess that makes me 600% better than average. But I can also tell you that 100% of the people who do the work the way I teach it make money. So do the work the way I teach and you'll succeed, or I'll refund your money. Question.